Hi everyone, my name is Jenna. I am finishing up my administrative um, degree in the next couple weeks, and I wanted to give you a little advice about things that I learned from my year and a half at the UW Superior program. So the first thing that I would say is make sure that you are taking classes that you can handle. If you feel like you can handle two classes, take two classes. But if you feel like one is all you can do, I will say I am a coach for multiple sports, and taking those one classes was definitely just enough for me. And um, know that no matter what, you'll get it done. And if it takes a little bit longer, that's okay. It doesn't matter. You want to get as much out of those classes as you can. As I kind of said before, life is busy, but you can do it. Um, I found that they might not always happen as fast as you want them to, but sometimes you just have to find that place in your house, find that place that you can sit down, relax, and focus. Don't wait until Sunday. I have friends that are in administration and they wait till Sunday. Don't do it. Try to get it done throughout the week. I know life is busy, but it adds extra stress that you don't need. So that would be like my number one thing is stay on top of all of your work. Um, the next thing is you can learn so much from your peers that you are within your class. You go through all of your classes with them. The biggest thing I found is I learn from the discussions that are happening. So when we are engaging in discussions, each of those classmates have so many different things. I'm only going into my fifth year of teaching, so I know there are so many things that I can learn, and there's so many people who are in roles that are not in the classroom that have helped me to understand material or take on a situation in a different way. Um, but making sure you are engaging with those classmates is huge because you can only learn more in your day. Um, the next thing I'm going to say is make sure you ask questions. These practicum teachers and all of the teachers are awesome to sit down and have a conversation with if you need it. They're willing to do a Zoom meeting, they're willing to stop what they're doing and help you and email you back. So make sure you ask questions. They don't want you to be stressed out, and you don't want to be stressed out. So reach out to them if you need to. That is a huge thing I found out. As much as you don't want to and you want to say you can do it on your own, reach out to them. It helps everyone out. Um, the next thing I'm going to say comes with your portfolio. Um, don't wait until December. It stresses you out more than you need to. Build those things as you're going. Have those conversations with your administrator in your school. Get involved with outside activities, or if I'm like an elementary school, get involved with the middle school and high school. Get those experiences that are going to help you. So then, if one day you aren't in the elementary setting and you're in a high school setting, you have a little bit of background that can help you in those situations. Uh, my last thing I'm going to say is go enjoy the time you're doing your hours. I know it's a lot of hours and I know it's super overwhelming, but the biggest thing is learn from those things. Enjoy what you're doing because someday that's what you're going to do, hopefully, is you'll be a dean of students, an assistant principal, a principal, whatever it might be. But really enjoy what you're doing and learn from those people around you. There are so many good administrators out there. Ask to go see them, ask to go do those things. You only can learn more if you put yourself out there. So, any questions, you can always reach out to me if you need anything. Otherwise, good luck with everything. You guys are going to rock it.